sometimes it is not required that you have to be able to know everything. It can be the time where you just have to know one thing or another thing, or you could just know both of them. And this is where logical OR operators take effect in programming. Now, if you haven't seen the other logical AND operator video, don't worry about it. This one basically is another alternative to how to do it, but it's a little bit more lenient. It allows a little bit more flexibility. So in this example, taken straight out of the Swift programming docs, we got two variables. Let has door key is equal to false, so it's a Boolean value. As you can see here, we've got a Boolean value. And then knows override password is equal to true. So we move down to this control flow if statement here. We see if has door key, and then we see these two pipes. And this is the logical OR operator, okay? And then after that, we see knows override password. What it's saying here is that if has door key is equal to true, which we know it's not, so this would fail. The two pipes, the OR operators, says, okay, don't worry about what's to the left of me. If to the right of me is true, then it can go through, even if to the left of me is false. All right, so it gives it a second chance. So it says here, if knows override password is equal to true, then you can pass. And this is basically what it's saying. And if we run this, you'll see that it says welcome. Now, if we change knows override password to false and rerun it once again, you can see access denied. So, and if we now has door key and we rerun it again, you can see welcome. So the OR operator requires to have a Boolean variable to the left or expression to the left, and then a Boolean variable or expression to the right hand side. And then it will test if one of the two or both of the two is true, then it will continue. So this is what we are looking for. We are looking for either true and true, this will pass, all right? We're looking for true and false, this will also pass, okay? And then we're looking for false and true, this will also pass, and false and false is then 0. So as you can see, it's a lot more lenient than the AND operator, because true and true passes, true and false passes, false and true passes, as long as one of them, at least, this is the difference, at least one of them must be true. And with an AND operator, both of them have to be true, okay? So this is now a logical OR operator. And as we said here, we could change this to say is 2 less than 3. We could have an expression here too, and when we rerun it, we can see here welcome. And if we say then if 4 is less than 3, we run it again, we can see access denied because knows override password is equal to false. Now if we change this and we say 6 is equal to 6, and we run it again, you can see here we get welcome because 6 is equal to 6. 4 is not less than 3, but the OR operator gives it a second chance. So either the left or the right needs to be true for it to pass as a true statement, okay? So this is basically a logical OR operator. It's not much more than that. If you do have any questions, concerns or feedback, let's start a conversation in the comment section down below. Other than that, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and do all of the other social media things that you can do. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao and goodbye.